Hello everyone, it's been a while. I hope you guys have been doing well. My name is Anne and I'm back again with another video. Today I want to discuss about Maxbounty, how to sign up with Maxbounty. This is a CPA network program, and by CPA I mean cost per action, and this means that you get paid per action, and that action can be bringing in a lead or a prospect to the publisher in this program, or making a sale. So when you make a sale, you get paid a certain amount. It's free to sign up. All you need to do to start is go to the description box, get that link. This page will open. So the first thing that opens is, as you can see in the screen, is where you begin to put in your details. So this is what will open. So the first thing is there are a few steps that you need to do. So we begin here. Your affiliate ID, if you're already in Maxbounty, and since you're not in Maxbounty, you will click next. So we come to the basic information. Write up your name there, your company name. If you have a company, you can write it there. If you don't have, you can just repeat your name, and then put your password and confirm password. So let's begin. That step, you need to select the security question, put down the answer, security question 2, put down the answer and hit next. The fourth part, put in your contacts. So when it comes to time zone, look for your time zone here. I'm in Kenya, so I select Nairobi. Then come down and here and select the time that you'd want Maxbounty manager, the recruiting manager, to give you a call, whether in the morning or late afternoon they will give you a call. And you know, when they're interviewing you, they normally have your application on their screen, so they want to know whether what you've written is actually the truth. This is the sixth step, and it's very important that you fill it in very, very keenly. So let's do it together. What is your experience? I'll suggest that you go for the last two. You can choose any of them. So you can say have some experience, or you're extremely experienced. By saying that you have some experience, it means that you've worked with at least one payment. You've received at least one payment from a network. So describe your past experience in affiliate marketing. So just write down what experience you've had marketing. You can write down the experience that you've had. I've done videos explaining sites that you can sign up to become an affiliate. If you've had an experience with some or one of them, you can write down. Or you can say that you've worked with companies like JV Zoo, there's ClickBank, there's Peerfly, although I think nowadays is not working. There are quite a number of affiliate marketing companies or networks that you can indicate there that you've worked with them, and make sure that whatever you write here, you have it in paper, or you know it sticks in your mind, because once they call you, they expect you to tell them, to explain to them the same thing. And then they'll ask you the next part, how do you intend to promote offers? You can promote offers through paid ads, blogging, through your YouTube channel, through Facebook, you know, social media, various ways that you'd want to. You can indicate there how you plan to promote the offers and what offers are you looking for. Personally, I indicated offers like email submit. So you can write email submit. You can indicate like weight loss, offers about weight loss, offers about home ownership, about insurance, about loans. There's so many products offers that you can promote, so you can write down whatever what would interest you. When it comes to the website, indicate your website there. If you don't have a website, you can put in your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, copy the URL and put it there. If you have a Facebook page that is active, you can put it there. Also, your personal Facebook URL. If you don't have any of the above, you can put your real Facebook profile. Is this account for incentive traffic? So here, say no. Say no. If yes, describe the incentive. Okay. So when you click next, the other part will be terms and conditions, and you submit, and that's it. So make sure that you're available. You're not in a noisy place at the time that you said you want them to call you, because they are likely to call you within. Okay, personally, I was called immediately, like in about 10 minutes. They had called me, and then I was approved within 24 hours. So I think the same could happen to you. So make sure you're not in a noisy place. So that's how you sign up for Maxbounty. In the next video, I will show you how to promote offers with Maxbounty or other affiliate networks. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Your subscription, your liking, your sharing motivates me to make more of these videos. Thank you guys for watching.